Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today me and Mason are going to be making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. The last cooking video we did, you guys absolutely loved, so we're going to be doing that again today. Here are the ingredients you're going to need to make these cookies. So you need a bowl and some kind of mixer. We're using a handheld. Peanut butter, you want a creamy peanut butter, and it recommends that you use like a not so good peanut butter, so we're using Skippy's, but you can use whatever you prefer. Chocolate chips, an egg, brown sugar, baking soda, vanilla, and then we have some cups and measuring tools. So I'm starting by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. So this recipe is from King Arthur's Flour, and it is flourless peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. We've made these before and they are absolutely delicious. So warning, before you make these, you're likely gonna eat like 500. So we warned you beforehand. Okay, so starting out with some peanut butter, we're just gonna be scooping this into our bowl, and we already measured this out. However much is left is how much we need, and the recipe will be linked below in case you want to make these cookies yourself. All right, Mace, let's scoop some peanut butter in here. Okay, so I did about as good a job as I could of cleaning this container out, and now we're going to be adding brown sugar into the bowl. Okay, so we're taking a 3/4 cup and we're getting a packed scoop of brown sugar. Go ahead, Mace, pour it in. So next we're taking a 1/2 teaspoon in baking powder. So once you have those 3 ingredients in the bowl, you're going to use some kind of mixer to mix them together. Again, we're just using a handheld mixer. So next we're going to take 1 egg and crack it in. And we're also going to use a teaspoon of vanilla. Mason's doing a great job of holding the mixer for me so that it doesn't fly all over the place. And again, just using that spoon to scrape it down. Okay, so this recipe only makes about 12 cookies, so I would recommend doubling it if you want more than that, but these go so fast in our house that we're trying not to make a crazy amount so that there won't be a ton for us to eat. So the last step is to add about a cup of chocolate chips, but we're gonna measure with our heart and just use the rest of this bag. And then you can just mix it with a spoon. You don't need that mixer anymore. All right, Mace, mix it up for me. Okay, so now we have a baking sheet that we lined with a sheet of parchment paper, and we're going to be taking a cookie scoop and just putting about 1 tablespoon size scoops onto the cookie tray. I'm sorry to hear a buzzing sounding in the background. My mom is currently vacuuming. So while I scoop the cookies, Mason's gonna take a fork and just push the cookies down so that they're a little bit flatter. you go. Okay, so this is what the cookies look like right now. Mason's, again, using a fork to push all of the cookies so that they're a little bit flatter. You could leave them like this, but they don't spread. So whatever shape you leave the cookies in is the shape they're gonna look like. And again, they look super good. We only made 12. I would recommend doubling the recipe if you want more than 12 cookies. Okay, so all of the cookies have been flattened, and you wanna leave some space in between because they are gonna spread in the oven. All right, so we're gonna bring the cookies to the oven. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes. Go ahead. What do you think? How does it taste? That tastes good. I'm so glad. Yummy. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you make these cookies, tag us on Instagram with a picture of them. As always, all of our links are down below. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and check the Like to Know It app for my outfit details. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave any requests you have for us down below, and we'll see you next Monday with another one. Bye. Then what do we do?